Hello people and welcome back to SlowAndSteady channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest road moments scored on driver's dashcam, and we'll kick today's episode off with a crazy road rage between high school students. Check this one out. Driver lost control of his vehicle due to the high rate of speed he was going, and because of that, he ended up crashing and causing a massive wreck on the road.
And just got that on camera.
The reckless driver hit a parked vehicle and he instantly caused a massive wreck. People are throwing all sorts of trash nowadays on the road.
Almost dead. And it's going to be based off of what we do know about those illnesses.
We have a rude driver using the shoulder of the road to move past other vehicles.
Hike that he wants to do where he feels that it's not his stealing from anyone because they're going to turn their own money, they know that. So he gets a bunch of criminals together, ones that...
One driver decided that doing the speed limit is definitely not a thing for him. Check out the speed that he was moving. Using the shoulder of the road is definitely not allowed, and this biker thought that he was something special, and unfortunately for him, a karma cop saw it all and he gave chase. Whenever you're reversing onto the road, always make sure to check your rear view mirrors and look if it's safe first. Car in front of the camera failed to give the right of way to the pedestrians, but the camera didn't. Roads are full of crazy pedestrians who don't bother looking where they're crossing the road, and in this situation, you see a walking NPC.
He's gonna walk to the car? That's a zombie right there.
Pay close attention at the driver on the camera's right side. He was on a straight-only lane, but apparently road markings mean absolutely nothing to this guy. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on SlowAndSteady channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and perhaps learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, to make you learn simply by observing. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help us grow. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.